Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at Webull versus Coinbase in 2026 to help you decide which platform is better for your investments. Both let you buy crypto, but the tools and the overall vibe are completely different. Here is the direct breakdown. First, let's differentiate their core focus. Webull is a traditional brokerage platform. It is an all-in-one app built primarily for stocks, options, and ETFs that also happens to offer crypto. Coinbase, on the other hand, is 100% dedicated to crypto. It is an entire ecosystem built for trading, storing, and utilizing digital assets. In terms of user experience, Webull has a super clean, unified interface. It is incredibly convenient if you want all your investments in one place. However, Webull's crypto selection is limited to major coins, and they operate a closed loop, meaning you cannot transfer your crypto out to a personal wallet. Coinbase gives you way more depth. It is a full-featured crypto platform. You can access hundreds of altcoins, earn rewards through staking, and easily transfer your digital assets to a private wallet for full control over your funds. Now for the fees. Webull advertises commission-free crypto trading, but they use spread-based pricing, meaning you pay a markup baked directly into the buy and sell price, usually around 1%. Coinbase uses a transparent fee structure, but the basic app can be pricey. To keep fees low on Coinbase, you will want to use their advanced trading mode, which offers a much cheaper maker-taker fee model. So here's the verdict for 2026. You should go with Webull if you are primarily a stock trader who just wants casual one-app convenience to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, no fuss and no wallets to manage. But if crypto is your main focus and you want self-custody, staking, and a massive selection of coins, Coinbase easily wins. That wraps up our comparison. If this ClearTask breakdown was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more direct reviews. See you in the next one.